Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's open up the settings, and from here navigate into About Phone, Storage, and below we should find our SD card. As you can see, SanDisk SD card, and below that you have a couple options. You have Unmount Shared Storage or Erase USB Storage. So let's choose the Erase option and format SD card. This did give us a message that performing this will remove all the data from it. So if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it all. And then, as you can see, now the process is finished. Tap on done, and the SD card is now fully erased. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.